Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, our YouTube channel. Today we're going to cover an luxury apartment which is located on the Bannerghatta main road, just very close to the Jayadeva Hospital. It's exactly on the main road and falls under Jayanagar 9th block. The apartment that I'm going to show you today and walk you in right now is a 4,084 square feet apartment in a G+23 floor building which is spread over 23 acres. And this building has got configuration of 3 and 4 bedroom apartments. So I'm going to walk you into a 4 bedroom one, which, as I mentioned earlier, it's a 4,084 square feet apartment in size. So now as we enter into the apartment, there's a small entrance foyer. And that's the initial impression that the apartment offers. Quite spacious, linear, and that's the living area. Right now we are in the center of the apartment. That's the living area, as you could see right there. The dining area. Behind the living and dining is a balcony, which is quite extended balcony. And to the right, just turn around. To the right, what you could see right here is the dry kitchen. They have a wet kitchen which is on to the left, and then 3 bedrooms on the other side, and there's a puja room here which we'll cover it in a little while. And now we'll show you, and there's a 4th bedroom which is on the left. That's where we entered from. And now before we show you the living area, we would walk you down to the bedroom number 1, or is also referred as the master bedroom here. The master bedroom is quite separated. It's got a separating wall with a little foyer kind of at the entrance, foyer kind of a structure at the entrance. And now we walk into the master bed. That's how the master bed looks like. Quite spacious with a balcony. Wooden laminate flooring with an attached walk-in wardrobe closet, and a toilet and a bath cubicle. We'll quickly walk you to the balcony. That's the balcony that is attached to the master bed. Now we quickly show you a glance of the master bed from the balcony. That's how it looks. From the master bedroom, we head out to the living area, and that's how the living area is spread out. Quite open, quite airy, with ample of light. Behind the living area is the dining. That's the dining, and both have an access, the dining and the living have an access to the extended balcony. I'll walk you down to the balcony. That's the balcony. A little bit of greens have been added. And that's the view the balcony has to offer. Now a quick glance of the living area from the balcony. That is the dining. From the dining, we head to the puja room. which is just behind the kitchen. That's quite spacious puja room located in the center of the apartment, which is considered very auspicious. And that's the kitchen area. The kitchen area is divided into two, the dry and the wet. That's the view of the kitchen. Right in front is the dry kitchen, and behind it is the wet and the utility area. It's the wet kitchen. Plenty of storage spaces. And from the wet kitchen we head to the utility area, to the huge window. Quite spacious. The utility opens out to the maid's room. That's the maid's room. The maid's room has got a separate entry, completely separate, and the maid room also has an attached toilet and a bath. A quick glance of the wet kitchen and the dry kitchen from the other end. That was the dry kitchen, and that is the living area. There's also a powder room which is right there. I'll walk you down there. That's the powder room with the wash area. And this portion of the apartment has got 3 bedrooms. 1 bedroom I've already shown you. So as mentioned earlier, it's a 4-bedroom apartment, 4-bedroom luxury apartment. That's the view of the bedroom number 2. That's a decent sized window. This room is also attached with a toilet and a bath. A shower cubicle. A quick view of the bedroom from another angle. That's the wardrobe space where we have done the wardrobes. That's the bed. And now we head out of bedroom number 2. Take a left and then head straight into bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is attached with a balcony, the one that you see there. It's got those colorful chairs on it, and also has an attached toilet and a bath. That's the walk-in wardrobe closet. An attached toilet and a shower cubicle. Now let me walk you to the balcony and also show you the view it has to offer. This balcony is not very huge, but nonetheless you can sit and have coffee or tea just there and the view that it has to offer. A quick view of the bedroom from the balcony. Now let's walk into bedroom number 4. That's the bedroom number 4. With an attached toilet and a bath. A quick view of the bedroom from another angle. That's the attached balcony, which I'll show you just in a little while. That's the balcony. That's the Bannerghatta main road. With this, we come to an end of showing you yet another beautiful luxury apartment, which is bang on the main road on Bannerghatta Road, very close to Jayadeva Hospital. This apartment complex is divided into two towers, the North Tower and the South Tower, and it is a G+23 structure spread over 2 acres of land. And it's every floor has just got 2 apartments. They have got 3 and 4 bedroom configurations. Very beautifully designed, very spacious. The location is one of the biggest advantages of this property. Decently done. 4,084 square feet of built up area. Thank you so much. If you've liked this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.